Start by adding breadcrumbs into a medium shallow dish and then grate in 2 cloves of raw garlic. Season with salt and pepper, add in lots of grated Parmesan cheese, some freshly chopped parsley, and Italian seasoning, and then mix that to combine. In another dish, crack 3 eggs, add salt and pepper, lots of grated cheese, and a little bit of water to thin it out, and then whisk it together. Next, pour all-purpose flour into a third bowl, season with salt and pepper, and mix. Okay, so start with thinly sliced chicken breast, and then one at a time, cover with plastic wrap and pound them out until they're nice and thin. The thinner, the better, in my opinion. Season each piece liberally with salt and pepper on just one side, and then stack them up so that the seasoning transfers from one to the next, so they get a little bit on each side. Use one hand to take a piece of chicken and dredge it in flour. Shake off the excess, and then use your other hand to dip it into the egg mixture, and then go back and use your flour hand to coat it in breadcrumbs, so one hand stays dry and the other wet to prevent you from breading your fingers, and it just keeps things a lot cleaner. So once you've breaded all the chicken, let them sit for about 30 minutes to help the coating stick. Then heat plenty of extra virgin olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Working in batches, cook the chicken on one side until it's golden brown, flip and cook on the other side. Let them drain on a rack or paper towels, and then serve them up however you'd like.